As the winter chill finally fades away, it's time for gardeners to roll up their sleeves and get their greenhouses ready for the bustling growing season ahead. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, spring brings with it a flurry of activity in the greenhouse, from cleaning up from last month's remnants to sowing seeds for the months to come. The first order of business in preparing your greenhouse is to tidy up from the previous growing season. Clear out any leftover planters, sweep the floor, and give the panels a good clean. Greenhouses can accumulate dirt and algae over time, which not only looks unsightly but can also block out essential sunlight. Today I'm trying out a spin scrubber to tackle the green growth on the outside of my panels, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. After giving your greenhouse a thorough clean, it's time to set up your planting station. Gather your pots, trays, and soil and get ready to start sowing those seeds. In mid-April, I kicked off my planting season by sowing a variety of seeds suitable for the springtime climate. Cabbage, cauliflower, tomatoes, peppers, eggplant, lavender, and herbs are all on the agenda. Each seed requires different care and attention, so it's essential to read up on the specific needs for each plant before getting started. Fast forward a couple of weeks and it's time to check on our seeds' progress. I'm thrilled to report that the cabbage, cauliflower, tomatoes, peppers, and eggplant have all sprouted beautifully, a testament to the care and attention put into their planting. However, it seems that our lavender and herbs are a little lagging behind. Upon closer inspection, I suspect that the fluffy soil provided with the planter might be the culprit. It's essential to use quality soil in the right balance of nutrients for optimal seed germination. So it's back to the drawing board for our herbs, but that's all part of the gardening journey. Now let me introduce you to a new addition to my greenhouse arsenal, a solar-powered irrigation system. This ingenious device promises to keep my plants watered efficiently, even on the sunniest of days. With its eco-friendly design and its hassle-free operation, I can't wait to see how it performs once the growing season is in full swing. Stay tuned for a dedicated review video coming soon. As we near the end of our greenhouse prep, there's still so much to look forward to. With the promise of freshly sprouted seedlings and innovative gardening solutions, the anticipation for a bountiful growing season is palpable. So whether you're a seasoned pro or a novice gardener, now is the perfect time to get your greenhouse in order and start sowing the seeds of your springtime dreams. With a little care, attention, and the right tools at your disposal, your greenhouse will soon be bursting with life, ready to thrive in the warm embrace of the spring sun. Happy gardening!